Welcome to the Home Seller's Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to prepare your home for sale and attract the best offers. First, declutter and clean your home thoroughly. Remove personal items and excess furniture to make rooms appear larger and more inviting. A clean and organized home helps buyers visualize themselves living there. Next, take care of any necessary repairs. Fix leaky faucets, patch up holes in the walls, and ensure all appliances are in working order. Small repairs can make a big difference in how your home is perceived. Don't forget about curb appeal. The exterior of your home is the first thing buyers see. Mow the lawn, plant fresh flowers, and consider a new coat of paint for the front door. A welcoming exterior sets the tone for the entire viewing experience. Depersonalize and stage your home. Remove family photos and personal memorabilia. Opt for neutral colors and simple decor to appeal to a wider range of buyers. Staging helps highlight your home's best features. Optimize lighting in your home. Open curtains and blinds to let in natural light and turn on all lights during showings. A bright and well-lit home feels more welcoming and spacious. Highlight your home's key features. Showcase the modern kitchen, spacious backyard, or cozy fireplace. Make sure these features are clean and in top condition to leave a lasting impression on buyers. Add final touches to create a warm atmosphere. Fresh flowers, a bowl of fruit, or a pleasant scent can make your home feel inviting and comfortable. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to preparing your home for a successful sale. Remember, first impressions matter. Good luck and happy selling! For more tips and guidance, contact us at 520-437-1838.